The Asantehene Otumfuo Osei Tutu II has been invited on a state visit to 3 different countries around the world. His Majesty has been invited on a state visit to India. The Asantehene has received 2 separate invitations in the past, with the recent one coming in July, personally from His Excellency Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India. The Asantehene has also been invited by the President of Suriname, Her Excellency Jennifer Geerlings-Simons, to grace the nation's Independence Day celebration on November 25th. And the President-elect of Seychelles, Herminie, invites the Asantehene to his inauguration on October 26th. Asantehene Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the most decorated African monarch, is likely to visit Germany, Australia, and many other countries in 2026. From the heart of Asanteman to the world, the Golden Stool continues to shine beyond borders. When wisdom leads and tradition speaks, even the world listens. Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, a king whose legacy travels beyond continents. Asante, Yer Oman. Subscribe, like and share this video.